Heyd Calder serves as a lieutenant of the Imperial Fists during the era Indomitus. Appointed as a Huscarl of the chapter by order of Primarch Roboute Guilliman, this warrior's mastery of battle and diplomacy would be epitomized during his defense of the Cardinal World of Almace. Allied with the Raven Guard Lieutenant Sail Karos and White Scar Captain Subodhan Khan, though technically not the highest-ranking Astartes of the campaign, Calder was entrusted command by Guilliman personally for this mission of paramount import. Confronting the Chaos Lord, Amatnim Ur-Nabash Lash, the Astartes organized the defense of the planet from the Word Bearers as they attempted to locate a long-imprisoned member of their legion. Ordered to free the imprisoned Word Bearer by received visions of his Primarch, Lorgar Aurelian, Lash imagined himself to be the one to end his lord's isolation within the Eye of Terror and restore his legion to its former glory. Meeting with the Cardinal Governor, Aemon, as the Word Bearers destroyed much of the Indomitus Crusade strike force assigned to guard the planet, Calder met with the jailer of the Word Bearer, only to discover something far from expected. Witness to the enormous contempted dreadnought within his script-etched confines, the architect of much of the Imperial Creed, known simply as the Anchorite, refused to stand idly and took up arms against his former kin. Uttering long-lost Colchizian words of power as the Emperor's light infused his very being, the faith of the Anchorite banished the demonic forces from Almace before charging at Amatnim. The Anchorite's arm damaged by the Chaos Lord, Calder hurled himself into the fray in order to save the Dreadnought's life, striking down Lash with his power sword. Almace had been saved, yet the Word Bearers now knew the origins of the Imperial cult, and would in time disseminate such knowledge to fracture the Imperium's faith. Deeming the Anchorite worthy of redemption, Heyd Calder refused to kill the penitent son of Lorgar, his judgment endorsed by the Avenging Sun as the reason for his assignment as senior commander. His fate unknown to this day, all that can be sure is this scion of Rogel Dawn continues to fight in the name of the Imperium, as among its most stalwart defenders.